Hello everyone, welcome back to my shop. So here's a quick little video on unboxing some UFO lights. I got these UFO lights off of Amazon. This is my third box I bought from this seller, and I thought I'd unbox it and show you what's in the box and show you how simple it is to basically install these lights. So these are 200 watt UFO lights. I'm gonna show you what's in the box. First, we have the installation and the warning. Then we have the light. These are super powerful lights. If you look directly at these lights, bad idea. Because then when you close your eyes, like I'm doing now, I'm closing my eyes, I could see all the little LED dots in here, so you kind of don't want to look directly at these. They're kind of like the sun. Don't look directly at them. Very powerful lights. Here we have the screw kit, and then we have these hooks. This piece basically screws on to the bottom of here, and you could hang it on a hook. There's two ways that you could hang these up. One is this way. I like how it has the additional safety cable that you could put a clip on the wall and then just clip this. It's like a carabiner clip. You can clip that on there. This is one way to hang these up. I don't do that. Here's the other light. It's a 2-pack. The other light. These are the brackets that I use to hang these up. So you need to dig into the screw kit. And it has two little Allen wrench machine screws. That go into the side of the light. See? That holds this bracket on there. The machine screw, then the lock washer, and then the regular washer. The screw screws right into the light. And it comes with an Allen wrench. Nice and tight. I'm gonna plug this in so you can see how bright it is. Super bright. So if you have a dull lit shop like I did before I put in all these lights, these are great. Shit, I just looked at it. These are great to light up your workspace. And they're affordable. It cost me like 80 bucks for two. And it puts off a lot of light. I could totally recommend these lights. I'm gonna see what brand they are. The brand of these lights is Flay Keeper. Never heard of that brand before, but honestly, these have done wonders to my shop.